Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I'm with clownantics.com, and today I will be showing you how to make a 2-balloon dinosaur. So you're going to start with your main color that you choose for your dinosaur balloon. I have chosen green. So this has the basic body structure of a giraffe. So I make sure I leave a good handful. And again, make sure it's malleable. Too much air, you run the risk of popping. Lay your balloon off. We start with a flower petal twist. Pinch. I like to take the button of the balloon and pull it through. Less hassle. And you can let go of the flower without the risk of it coming undone. You're going to then produce 2 small bubble twists. This can simulate the horns or the eyeballs. It's up to you as a balloon twister to decide. This looks more like horns on this. Usually the eyeballs, if you make them big enough, will sit right on top. So I'm gonna make this into horns. Go ahead and squeeze the excess and make a nice long neck for your dinosaur. Go ahead and pinch, twist that off. Keep sending air down to the bottom of your balloon. This whole body structure is the body structure of a giraffe. What makes it a dinosaur is your second balloon. Another flower petal. Doesn't have to be too big. Also be aware that you'll run out of air quick. Small torso. And go ahead and with the extra knob at the end of your balloon, make your flower twist. Tie it off. And your dinosaur's body. It's also a giraffe body. Choose your second color. You're not going to use all the balloon. Just make sure that you get over half. Make sure it's malleable. Take the button of your second balloon. We're going to go ahead and marry that into your horns or your eyeballs. Right in between. Tap it a few times. So you have something that looks like this. You're gonna go ahead and start making small twists. Follow the structure of the giraffe neck. Keep feeding air down to the slack of your balloon. It depends on the size of your neck. That's why I marry them before I start this process so that I can measure. So I now have it the length of my neck. I've made that last balloon is going to come around the front of the body and wrap around under the legs. Really try and tie off that balloon. If you have excess, it's a little bit easier because you can just break the balloon and use the excess to tie it off, but you should look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and create 2 small spines again. Tie that around the back legs of the balloon. You have 2 options from here. You can either make a tail or pop the tail. and leave it, but it's up to you. I'm going to finish it off with a bump. Take the balloon and tie it off. So this is what your Brontostegosaurus looks like. For the face, you can do it sideways. Usually if the eyes are on top, I've chosen to use horns. So I turn my face vertical. It's nice to have some character eyes in your drawing repertoire. Last but not least, your dinosaur. You might have to fiddle around with placement. It's gonna happen on all your balloons. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links below and share with your friends.